It is a great start to the trip, being out in such windy weather and the scenery. Wow.
Hey up people, you're welcome here. So as you can see मैं road पे खड़ी हूँ and also this is the break after second wave of COVID. So yes, we are out again and this time we'll be visiting Mahabaleshwar, which is Maharashtra's most famous hill station. So right now we have stopped at a point. We are just 30 kilometers away from Mahabaleshwar and look what a view we have got. You enjoy?
Yes,
Yeah!
you enjoyed?
So much! It is so foggy right now, look. You cannot even see the car passing now. I need to run. Look at the roads right actually. अभी तो it's just 4 o'clock and अभी से कुछ नहीं दिख रहा है सामने का थोड़ा सा भी नहीं दिख रहा है. It is very much foggy over here.
Yes, guys, it is so much foggy over here and so cold.
Yeah, it is actually very cold and we didn't even bring our winter clothes. So we are trying some strawberry tea. कैसा लगा? बहुत ही बढ़िया. Yummy. सही में it's nice.
So we checked into a room. This is the living hall, that's the dining table, and there is a tiny kitchen. Yeah, right there. And now, as you climb up the stairs, there are two rooms which are exactly same. So this one's my room. There is this very tiny balcony connected to a room which gave a spectacular view.
So this is our apartment and look. Wow, right. Oh god, it started raining. I'll have to go inside. So it is 6 o'clock here and it's still raining. And also I had called receptionist. They said everything is closed for now. And also markets will be open only till 4 a.m. and other points are also closed. So I'm all ready. Actually, I got ready an hour ago, but I was shooting. So yeah, my temporary setup. So I was shooting and it's kind of late and I guess we are out, but I don't think you can see anything. It is very foggy. Even if we click pictures, it is coming out to be very blurred. This is the ambience. I should say that ambience is quite nice. So we have come out for dinner. Now, because of the rule, we didn't actually find many restaurants which were for dine-in, but all of them were serving takeaway. But finally, we have found one, and now we'll have dinner there. Come back in the hotel, and we're just walking by. But I don't think I can take you along with me because the lights are quite dim to keep their ambience and aesthetic. So I think we'll call it a day, and I'll meet you tomorrow in the morning. Maybe we're gonna go trekking if it is open and if it's not raining. Okay, till then, bye. Good morning, guys. So it's 7 o'clock, and yes, I finally woke up. So we'll go on a walk now among the greens, fog, and yes, definitely these birds chirping. So pools are not allowed in any resort or hotel due to COVID issues. So fresh. So it started raining. Then we stopped by the reception, and now we are back in our apartment. Then I'll just get ready for my exam, and maybe I'll show you my setup, and then we'll catch after my exam. Coffee is must in this weather. So I'm ready now. Yes, I was able to finish my exam earlier than the time. So we are off to Ramsukh now. We'll be checking into our hotel and keep all our luggage there. And then maybe we'll go to Pratapgarh Fort. I mean, it's the same, Garden Fort. But yeah, we'll be going there.
We actually didn't get booking here for all the day, so we stayed a day in Club Mahindra. So this is our room. This is the tiny living space with some kitchen wala thing. Then this is the bed, and we had a connected balcony, which gave us this view. Wow.
So I had been here around 1.5 to 2 years back. मतलब तब it was something summers का time, and this is the, I've been to Mahabaleshwaram a lot of times before. This is my first time जब मैं monsoon में आई हूँ. You know, it's like I initially thought कि मैं क्या करूँगी, because due to Corona also everything gets closed by 4 now. But now जब my day yesterday was spent so good. You know, कुछ और करने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं. यहाँ पे इतना अच्छा atmosphere है. The environment is so cool. It's cool. Whatever. Environment here is amazing. You feel very refreshing. Definitely after the second wave of COVID, where everything was so compact and you had to stay indoors, this is a great refreshment trip. Definitely, I'm very thankful that I got a chance to visit Mahabaleshwar and monsoon, and that too, like, it just opened 3 days back. I'm here because the reservations in this resort, it's amazing. So actually we have not planned anything because बारिश अभी इतना ज़्यादा हो रहा है, तो whatever we plan, we don't know कि वो हो पाएगा या नहीं, because बारिश is very unpredictable. So we're just going with the flow. जब बारिश नहीं हो रही है, we thought that we can go out, do something, and also quite a lot of things are closed right now. So we just hopped on the things which are open, which we can visit. Yeah, let's see now. We can go to that Pratapgarh Fort, which is around 10 kilometers, 10 to 14 kilometers from here. I'm still not confirmed. We are just stopping by every beautiful spot we find on our way to Pratapgarh. And look at this beauty. This is so cool. Even there are 2 waterfalls over here. I don't know if you can catch it or not, but oh wow. We have stopped now here for lunch, and it is around 2:30. So we'll be having lunch at this restaurant. It's quite famous down here. Then from here we'll go to Pratapgarh, and we're not quite sure that it is open or not. So we'll have to go there and check it out. By the way, the view here is fantastic, but the roads are quite curvy. Not quite, they are very, very curvy, but you'll spot more than 100 waterfalls, so it is definitely worth it. And it's, oh my god, it's very beautiful just by sitting in the car and looking outside at this beautiful scenery with all the fog surrounded by. That fort is just around 6 kilometers from here. And can you see? मेरे मुंह पे धूप आ रही है. Like I've seen धूप after so long and it feels good to be in sun. So finally reached Pratapgarh after our lunch. Over here you can see another part is over there. Now it seems like it will rain, so we have carried our umbrellas. If it starts raining, you have option to rent it out. Oh God, it started raining heavily, very heavy. Thank God we rented out these umbrellas before going up. Oh God. A snake, Aru snake.
ये महाबलेश्वर की बारिश है जो आती है और पलक झपकते जाती है.
So it stopped raining now, but our guide gave us some information which I really want to share it with you. So basically the difference between this fort and other forts in our country is that other forts are under government, right? But this is a private fort and the owners of this fort still live in Satara and is also the MP of Satara. That person is the 13th generation of Shivaji. Apart from this, other forts literally take 10 to 15 years to build up, but this fort was just built up in 2 years. Can you imagine? 2 years.
This was the secret way which led to the fort.
Can you see anything? I can't.
यहाँ से जो हम लोग देख रहे हैं पूरा फॉग नजर आ रहा है इसके अंदर.
So Viper, we have reached here. If you can see there, I don't want to go more behind. So this is the lake through which they used to drink water. So this killa was mainly built because Shivaji Maharaj worshipped Bhavani Mata. Bhavani Mata का मंदिर जो था वो उनके एरिया में नहीं था, अफजल खान के एरिया में था. तो whenever he used to go there, वहाँ पे बहुत सारे wars and all होते थे and a lot of soldiers used to die, right? So he acquired this fort. He fought a war, he acquired this fort and then built his own Bhavani Mata ka mandir over here. So if you can see this dome, this is actually a mandir. But yes, I know it looks like a masjid. It was Shivaji Maharaj's trick, you can say. He used to design his mandir where the outer walls of the mandir looks like masjid. Like this is an onion dome. Onion domes are usually used in masjid. So whenever the Mughals used to come and attack these people, they won't destroy their mandir. So this was kind of a safety measure to keep their mandir alive. Yes, actually that did help and none of his mandirs were broken and you can still see this mandir right now. So the gate through which we entered is another killa. Actually it is built above the previous fort, but this is known as Bal Killa. This is a place where Shivaji Maharaj used to live.
Let's see if you knew this or not. So कभी भी आप किसी का भी हॉर्स के साथ स्टैचू देखते हो तो जस्ट ऑब्जर्व कि अगर वो हॉर्स के दोनों पैर ऊपर है या वन, इफ बोथ आर अप दैट मीन्स उनका कोई वॉर में डेथ हुई है, या फिर वन है तो वो नेचुरल डेथ का कॉज है.
So now I've climbed up here to Punishment Point. Look, यहाँ पे you cannot even see anything. So basically क्या होता था वो एरा में जब भी कोई कुछ भी क्राइम करता था, लाइक छोटे मोटे क्राइम जैसे चोरी एंड ऑल, तो तब उनके हाथ काट देते थे. पर फिर जब वो बड़े क्राइम्स करता था लाइक गद्दारी एंड ऑल, तो उनको वो यहाँ से नीचे थ्रो कर देते थे. एंड यू नो फन फैक्ट, मैं अभी यहाँ पे विद इन दिस वॉल, सो आई एम इन रायगढ़, ओके. बट जब मैं हाथ इधर कर देती हूँ तो मेरा हाथ सातारा में है. इट्स नो मोर इन रायगढ़, मेरा हाथ वहाँ पर सातारा में है. चेंज इन डिस्ट्रिक्ट और तुरंत यू नो हवा भी पूरी चेंज हो जाती है.
तो यहाँ की खासियत ये है, अगर आप देखेंगे इस फोर्ट की वॉल की तरफ एकदम जोरदार हवा चल रही है जो मेरे हाथों को महसूस हो सकती है, और यहाँ पर कोई भी हवा नहीं है. उसका मैं सबूत आपको दिखाता हूँ. ये देखिए यहाँ पर ये हैंडकरचिप मैंने हाथ में लिया, बिल्कुल भी हवा नहीं है. और जैसे मैं इसे यहाँ पर लेके जाऊँगा ये ऊपर उड़ने लग रहा है. अब ये देखिए फिर अगेन.
Isn't this crazy? Okay, this is crazy, but have you seen पापा ने कितने अच्छे से explain किया. So these are those gun holes जहाँ पे वो तोप and guns रखते थे, यहाँ से we used to shoot down. it's 5:30. हम लोग फोर्ट से नीचे आ गए तो it is चाय टाइम, right? But मैं छाछ पी रही हूँ. I'm not a chai person. We did go to the market, but it was closed at that time. But the market people said that it will be open tomorrow. Actually, we had a doubt because Saturday, Sunday lockdown situation. So they confirmed. They said it will be open tomorrow from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. So we came back. We just got a little freshen up, got ready, changed, and now we are going out for dinner. So guys, we are back at the resort. अभी पूरा सब change कर लिया है, and we were quite tired, so we thought that अभी कुछ और नहीं करते, let's go to sleep, and कल और भी activities करने हैं. But yes, I'll definitely make sure that I take you guys along with me कल walk के लिए because the ambience is really nice. So as I mentioned earlier, आज का दिन was amazing. It was epic. Mahabaleshwar in monsoon is a very different experience. It hits you very differently. I mean, all those rains, I know कभी कभी होता है कि बहुत ज़्यादा बारिश हो रही है and you get frustrated कि कुछ कर नहीं पा रहे, but definitely you'll enjoy that weather. जो environment that बारिश creates around you is, oh my god, it's epic. So I think it's wonderful, and आज का दिन was amazing. We saw more than 100 waterfalls. It was amazing, and that fort gave me some new knowledge. It added to my book of knowledge, and yes, it was a great day at the end. That's it for today and for this episode, I guess. Good night. Meet you in the next one.